Shaggy Ann and I are taking our first walk at Columbia's Riverfront Park. If you do the entire loop, it's about 6 miles. Come on, Shag. Well, about 3 miles out and 3 miles back. I used to run here all the time. It's a really beautiful place, and hopefully it's not too crowded. It might start raining. We might get a little wet, but we thought we'd give it a try. All right, we're going this way, Shaggy. Come on. There's more trees. Let's go. Oops. Come on. Let's go. Anyway, I'll tape some more later. She's looking behind her to see who's coming. This is the old canal. This is what she does when people are coming. We might not make it very far. It's okay. Come on over here, Shaggy. She doesn't want when people are approaching. She doesn't like it. Hey, she's scared of people. She won't bite. She's just scared. Let's go. Come on. See, that's what she does. If someone's walking towards us, she's very reticent to keep moving forward. Okay, we're going this way. Come on, Shag. Cross the bridge. See how she does across the bridge. Come on, Shag. Here we go. It's really high. The water is really high. All right, she's not scared of the bridge. So far, so good. She's moving forward without me having to force her, though she likes all the side trails. She hears. Over here, we might see some trees. We're going to take all the little offshoots so she can walk in the grass some. Let's go down here, Shag. Come on. Hey, good girl. Hi. Come on. Come on. We might get wet. We are getting wet. Get her over to the grass some. How about let's wait it out up on the stage a little bit and see if the rain stops, Shaggy. Come on. It's misting a little bit. You can see down the water. Not bad, but we thought we might just hang out for a minute and see if it blows over. Bummer. There's her view. She wants to get back down there in that sweet green grass. Let's go. I'm sure she's going to prefer the off the sidewalks up there. More dog walkers. She's going to enjoy any time we can get off the path a lot more than being on the path with the people. And she really likes being down here close to the water. I mean, she's been following along this edge. No, she didn't have water over where she was, so it's nice to see that she's not scared of it. This little fella up there is interested in checking her out. No. We're not going to go. I wonder if she would go swim. I don't want to go down there. Can't swim in that water, Shaggy. It's too strong a current. It'll lose you. She does not want to catch up with the doggy up ahead. She definitely slows down. She's thinking, would I rather follow those people or that dog? Come on, let's go. Good. Good girl. Whoops. Shaggy was reading the sign. Come on, Shag. Let's go this way. Ooh, there's a big dog coming. She's checking him out. Let's go. Let's go. This is me and Shaggy underneath a bridge, underneath an umbrella, waiting out the rain while all the other people keep going. She was sitting underneath the umbrella with me a few minutes ago. We're about ready to take off.